Hello, this is Sarah Schumann, Director of Academic Support. I'm going to walk you through how to access academic support services. First of all, we have an exciting addition to our Moodle pages. If you go to your Moodle dashboard or any of your Moodle course pages, you'll see this purple and blue grid in the top right corner that says Remote Tutoring. Click here to access tutor pages. When you click this link, you'll be asked to self-enroll into the Remote Tutoring at Russell Sage College Moodle course. So yes, click self-enroll, and then you will see a summary of our services right here. Need tutoring? Click on Schedule a Zoom tutor session below, right here. You'll click here if you would like to make an appointment with one of our tutors. I'll demonstrate that in a minute, but I want to show you what else is on this page. You can also, if you can't find what you're looking for, on our tutor list, you can fill out this request form. It's right here in red, or it's right here. And if there's a specific course you need tutoring for that you don't see, or if you're confused about how you can get some help, if you want some study tips, if you want to meet and talk with me about how we can help your academics, you can fill out this form and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This link right here is the Smart Thinking Online Tutoring link. When you click this link, you'll see a system check comes up. You scroll to the bottom, click here to continue, and then you can work with a tutor or a career coach. You can submit a question, you could submit your writing, and you would work with a Pearson tutor, so a PhD or somebody that's hired by Pearson, and you can get help 24/7. This is a service that our college pays for, and you're welcome to use it. But now I'm going to go back and show you how to make an appointment with one of our Russell Sage College tutors. So you would click right here, Schedule a Zoom tutor session, and then a list of tutors will show up. So I'm at the top of the list, Director of Academic Support. You can make an appointment with me for reading, ESL, writing, study skills, or even just to talk. So when you click on my page, you will be asked to self-enroll into my course. Once again, you just click yes, and then you'll see right here, Appointments with Sarah. You'll click on it and pick the appointment that you want. I need to update my appointments. And then the tutor will get a message. If you made an appointment with me, I would write back to confirm it and send you the Zoom link. The Zoom link is also on my page, and the other tutors will have their Zoom link either on their page or they will send it to you. So just to see the other tutors, if you'd like to see a few others, again, click here, page comes up. Lindsay Bush is our professional tutor who does writing, reading, ESL, study skills, and academic coaching. She's awesome. She also teaches 2 sections of RSC 101. Becca Hool is my awesome science GA. She's a graduate assistant. You can make an appointment and work with her in physics, biology, or chemistry. Catherine Ashworth is my other awesome GA, and you can make an appointment with her to do writing from all subjects. As you can see, hidden from students, there are a bunch more tutors that are going to be added with their schedules very soon. They're still learning how to do the scheduler, so their schedule does not pop up yet, but it will probably by next week be up and running, so you'll have lots of choices of tutors. I hope this video helps you understand how to access supports at Sage. If you have any questions, email me, schums2, SCHUMS, number 2, @sage.edu. Thank you so much and hope to see you soon.